everybody's having a great day. Today we're actually doing just a little small short vlog, like a little Saturday vlog. But anyways, it is snowing in West Virginia again. Like, we'll get a little snow, go for a while, snow, and then go for a while. And anyways, but I'd rather have it all snow real fast, get over with, and bring me springtime. But you know what? It's the weather we have. Hey, it's okay. I love West Virginia, and I'll take the weather. But I was like, what can we do today? Because I didn't really feel like working on the truck today. It's not too cold out, but cold enough where I just, yeah, you know, I'm guessing a lot of y'all know. But anyways, I got the Cummins running. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit. I'm gonna clean it off real good. If you see the other videos, I've done donuts up there. The grass may have not grown back, but oh well. But we have snow, and I was like, we should rally across the Cummins, kinda. So I'm thinking we should take off, go around that tree, go down there. If I don't fall, go around that tree. There's a tree there, go around it, and maybe that tree over there, and come back. Raising hell and praising down toward that. So I think we might do that with the Cummins. We're gonna let it warm up because I don't want to do it while it's cold. Either we're gonna break something or it's gonna be a pretty cool short little video. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off and we'll get going. And by the way, I do own this side of the property. My mother owns this side, and I was like, hey, if I like seed it and stuff in the summer, can I do this? Because I don't want to mess up her grass. And she's like, hey, I got rakes, go for it. I'm like, all right, America. So let's go ahead and not be possible with all these bald eagles without a good old stripper glitter to get this thing started. Because she really didn't want to start this morning. But if you want to know where this is from, follow her TikTok. The link is in the description. We're going to start doing some cool stuff on there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I know it wasn't a very long one, but I just wanted to go out there and rip and everything. Katie really won't let me get the Durango, but if it's snowing like this tomorrow, I will get those keys to that Durango. Yeah. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next vlog. We'll probably be back on the first gen, working on it and everything. But anyways guys, I'm out of here. Oh, sorry. This is Ghost. And we are out of here.